Plug the device in and choose your accessories. Connect the tube and attach the mask. Pour the prescribed medicine into the medicine chamber. Wear the mask and ensure a snug fit. Switch it on and the mist starts immediately. Sit upright and breathe normally up to 30 minutes or as prescribed without tilting the chamber. You can adjust the mist and choose your attachments as per your choice. You can also change the filters yourself whenever required. Clean all parts after use and store them back safely. It's so convenient that you can do it yourself. AGEasy Compressor Nebuliser. Relax, recover, and move better